Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to make a personal portfolio using Canva, and it is completely free and you don't need to be any knowledge about coding. It means you can do it by without coding, and also it is really good for or great for sharing online or as a PDF. So the process is really easy, so you need to be follow my guideline throughout the video. I will give you those guidelines, so just keep watching on this video. And let me tell you another thing, that is the portfolio is a really necessary thing. If you in a service or any kind of industry, this portfolio means it is your identity. So if you are giving any CV instead of portfolio, then I will suggest you provide your portfolio. It makes your work organized and perfect. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, how you can create an portfolio using Canva. So for that reason, you need to be create an canva.com account, and the process is really simple. Let me give you an example. Like, let's go to canva.com. You can see the link, just search over here, and here you can see we have option for logging and create an account, or you can click over here start designing. So after the clicking, you will have the access to create an account. Like, you can create account with Google, you can create your account with Facebook, even with your custom email. So the process is really simple. You can do it. It is like 3 or 4 minutes work. So let's dive into the main interface. I already create an account here, and this is my account where I can edit my image, my video, whatever I want. So after completing your account, just you will find out this kind of an interface. So here in the home page, search for portfolio in the search option. This is the search option. You can see search million of template, or just click over here and then search for portfolio. Once you write there, they will give you suggestion for search for portfolio. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you some template over your display. You can see here we have thousands of templates, so you can take anything from that place which you feel is look really nice, well organized, and like engaging. So it's totally up to you. So I am going to search something, scroll down, and which one I think would be perfect for me. Like, I'm finding something which is willing with my profession. So may I scroll down furthermore. I think this may be no, I think this may be perfect for me. So let's click over here. Once I click over here, they will give me here the new pop-up, and here you can see the template name is gray green bold creative portfolio presentation, and you need to be just click over here, customize this template. Just click. Once you click over here, they will move you to the next page, and here you can edit each and every elements you want. Like, you can change the text, you can change the image, you can do whatever you want. You change the color, totally up to you. So after browsing the portfolio template, I already select an option, but let me give you a suggestion. That will be, if you are so much professional, then find out something creative and something which is related to your profession, and that's enough. Always mind this thing. So once you click on customize, you will get this kind of page where you can edit it. So your next step will be add your personal information over there, that place. So I'm going to change everything. That will be creative. I am a video editor, so here I will give you video editor, and I will increase the size, and now you can see the text look really nice. And then I will add my name over that place. That will be Mahin Rahman. That is my name. Second one is, it is I let me clarify to you, it is the intro page. and also we have some other page you can see in the bottom. So we have almost 30 pages, so we are going to check it one by one. So here you can change the image over that place. So right now I don't have any images, so that for reason I will take it, or you can go and just in element option just click over here and search an image. Okay, man image, and just hit the search button and you can get this kind of image. I will take this image, then I will click over PG remove, and then it will take a while and you can see our background has been removed perfectly. And now I am going to delete this pic. So you can see this is my image, like you can understand this is a pic of another person, but right now I am going to use it. So that for reason I will tell you that this is my image. Even like here we are going to add some content over that place. And now our intro page has done. We have page like content, where content means what kind of work you do. Like here you can see introduction, about me, education, personal skills, experience, project. This kind of work I do over my portfolio. I added this integrate, so they can identify this. Here if I go to introduction page, then I can know about my applicant like me, then about me, where I pasted my all necessary things, like I did complete my graduation from that university, I have a skill on around video editing, website development, this kind of thing. Here you can understand. Then you can see education, like this one, the introduction page. Here you need to be add your name, change your image again. Then this is about me page. You can see here you can change your name again. Here add your necessary things, like it's totally up to you how you are going to organize your page. So here you can see one by one every page we got. Look this out, this is her university. So here I will integrate my university, and the editing is really easy. Again, let me give you like let me add my university name, that is Lauto Bus Engineers College, and I will graduate from 2028. So much easy. If you take it harshly, then you will find out this is hard, but if you take it easy, then you will understand how much the easy it is. Though let's go ahead, and that will be personal skills. So here you need to be paste what kind of work you do, and you are expert. So I am expert in videography, then also WordPress development. So I'm going to write down here WordPress. Then I will give some summary over that place of what kind of work I already did. Then my second work experience. So here you can see I work as project managers. Again, here you need to be paste your content summary, like what kind of work has you done, or what kind of work you are in expert. Then you can see sales representative. So I am going to change it website manager, website manager. So you can see you can edit each and every elements in this portfolio. So I hope you find out this video is really helpful. If you watch till the end, the main work has been left till now. That will be after completing your page, you have one work, that will be download your portfolio. So for that reason, you need to be go on this right down button in the top, just click on share. Once you click over here, you will get this kind of option here. So just go ahead and click go down. Once you click go down, here you can see they already suggested a file type, that will be PDF standard. Just click over here, and here you can see all pages has been selected. So this will be your portfolio. Now click on download. Once you click on download, it will take a while, and after download it will be complete for using. So now whenever you go or visit any company, just paste your portfolio to them and or share your portfolio. Look, now this is my portfolio and I already downloaded it, and you can see that really significant. So I hope this video makes you helpful. If you think you need a portfolio, then you can create it easily with Canva. So let's talk in the end. That will be use Canva. Canva is really easy and you can easily manage all stuff in your Canva. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.